Which synonym belongs to quandary? The correct answer is dilemma. Which synonym belongs to euphonious? The correct answer is euphonic. Which synonym belongs to indigenous? The correct answer is natural. Which synonym belongs to coterie? The correct answer is clique. Which synonym belongs to malingerer? The correct answer is goldbrick. Which synonym belongs to audacious? The correct answer is bold. Which synonym belongs to amity? The correct answer is friendliness. Which synonym belongs to belated? The correct answer is overdue. Which synonym belongs to incidental? The correct answer is accidental. Which synonym belongs to incendiary? The correct answer is arsonist. Which synonym belongs to steep? The correct answer is brant. Which synonym belongs to inopportune? The correct answer is unfit. Which synonym belongs to apologist? The correct answer is apologizer. Which synonym belongs to kernel? The correct answer is gist. Which synonym belongs to bedraggle? The correct answer is souse. Which synonym belongs to ciliated? The correct answer is ciliate. Which synonym belongs to supine? The correct answer is passive. Which synonym belongs to disenfranchise? The correct answer is disfranchise. Which synonym belongs to bedizen? The correct answer is embellish. Which synonym belongs to repudiate? The correct answer is deny.